Hello everybody. I have a small bracelet haul from Temu. I brought these bracelets, y'all, maybe September, October. And so I was kind of concentrating on moving, and I have stuff that I put away and I'm taking it out so I can, make a video out of it. So I'm going to show you what these bracelets look like. They're supposed to be designer inspired bracelets. You can make them a little bit bigger because I have a big wrist. So I'm going to show you each one, and then I'm going to put them all on my wrist. I might have another one this color too. I think I do. I hope y'all are doing well. Oh, this is like the pinkish color. I like that one. That's really pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's pretty. I like gemstones anyway. But that really looks nice. Looks nice. And see, the other one is a darker, a garnet color red. This is more like a pink sapphire. I like that. I like that. This one is a red one like that other one, like that. This is like the garnet color. Let me pack up. Yeah, this is another garnet color one. It's pretty too. They got nice weight to them, y'all. There's really nice weight to it. And I paid little or nothing for these bracelets. Maybe $2. There's like an amethyst color, that purple. That's beautiful. That is so pretty. So pretty. Again, I got these. Oh, it matches my ring right here. That's pretty. I got these from Temu, like I said, a while back. And I'm sure they still have it online. So I will leave the link. And I got to start wearing this stuff, y'all. And so this is the last one. This is like an aqua marine color. It's like that light blue. Probably can't hardly see it. Is this a light blue or is this a clear? That looks more like a clear. Let's see if I got any more, because I got some other bracelets too. So let me start putting them on this big wrist that I have. I usually like a lot of real stuff, but I think in 2023, maybe 2022, I start getting into the costume jewelry, and I like it. Like it. As long as it don't look too plasticky and fake. Now, in my opinion, they need to make these bracelets bigger for the plus size girls, because there is an opening now. Even though I saw people wearing it that way, I don't know if I like it that way. So you smaller girls with that thin wrist, you can really wear these nicely. Let me turn it around. But I don't want to turn it around. I want to show off those jewels, y'all. That's the point of it, showing off those jewels. So I just left one turned around the front. And that's how it looks. That might be why I didn't review these, because my big wrist. I'll tell you one thing, I'm going to wear them. I am going to wear them. Just kind of keep like that. Yes, yes, yes. And they heavy. They feel like a good quality. They don't feel like no $2 bracelet. That'd be nice. Temu be having some good stuff. I got, maybe I shouldn't tell you about it because I might show it to you in the video. But their things are hit or miss. I have gotten some real nice stuff, but then I got some stuff, not a whole lot of things, but I did get some things that's like, is that plastic? What the heck is that? And this necklace that I have on, you might have seen me with this before. It's made of stainless steel, okay? Stainless steel doesn't change. Now, you know, it looks a little bit darker than gold, just a little bit. But I'm going to get myself either a cubic zirconia pendant or a real diamond pendant to put up here. Because it's nice and strong. It's heavy and it's strong. I paid $1 and something for it. But sometimes on Etsy and eBay, sometimes you can find some pre-owned diamond or ruby pendants, and they be a little or nothing. I had one that was a diamond one, and I paid $35 for it. I haven't been able to find it for about 2 years. I think somebody stole it. I really do. And it don't make any sense because for $35, they could just buy their own. So let me show you the next bracelets that I have. And these are the last ones. So these are like the Van Cleef and Arpel. I think it's called Arpels. Isn't that cute, y'all? It's nice and heavy. And this is an off-white one. And let me see, can I get it on my arm? Because sometimes these kind of bracelets I cannot really get on my arm that well. Let's see. Let's see how this is going to work. Yeah, I'm supposed to put it on the regular way and snap it on, but isn't that pretty, y'all? It's really cute. And again, for, I say between $1 and $3 maybe, but I believe I paid $1 and something for this. I'll show you the next one. This is a red one. Again, Temu, y'all. Also, if you're a first-time customer, you can use my code and get 30% off. Isn't that pretty, y'all? So nice and heavy. Now, Van Cleef and Arpels, their jewelry pieces are really expensive. I know me and my daughter went to a well-known mall in my area where everything is expensive because it's like a rich area. So all we could do was go around and look and just hit a couple stores. And I saw their store and I looked in the window and I saw these type of bracelets and it was thousands of dollars, y'all. Thousands of dollars. I could find the lookalikes, pay a few dollars, and if it messes up, I could either get some more or this one's a little smaller than that other one. I don't have nobody to help me hook this thing the right way. Okay. That is really pretty. That looks nice. Isn't that nice, y'all? Again, Temu. Find the link I will put it in the description box. So the last ones are two of the same. I thought I had a black one. Let's see. I thought I had a black one too. I'm quite sure I have a black one. I don't know where it is. So these last two are both green. It's very pretty. That's really pretty. So I will start wearing these items to get some wear out of it. And I don't want to keep buying stuff and just let it sit around, you know. I don't know what I'd be waiting for. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. Really pretty. And I told you this a long time ago. I mix and match my good stuff with the cheaper stuff, and it seems to make everything just look really good, unless you're wearing something that just looks too cheap. But for the most part, if you have a nice ring, a nice bracelet, and then you just like a statement piece, and then you buy this little inexpensive bracelets and stuff. Oh, okay, that green is that really green now? This green is a lot different. Well, anyway, isn't that beautiful? I want an emerald ring. I really do. I'm gonna get one. They even have the created emeralds now that look like the real stuff, and I may start off with that, and then later on get, you know, the real thing. I buy a lot of used jewelry. I think, did I mention that? I buy used jewelry from eBay and stuff. Love this, so let me put it on my arm. And usually when they send it, it's polished up. But if it's for a real cheap price, sometimes you may get it and it'll be nice, but it won't be polished like it's new. You can polish it yourself or take it to a jeweler, and they'll charge a little or nothing to you know, make it shiny and everything. This one is tighter than the other ones. Oof. It's tighter on this big doggone arm than my other ones. Ooh, look at here, look at here. Yeah, I think the other one is not a green. It's looking greenish though. Is that the black one or is that the gray? What is that? So now these are my Temu bracelets. I love them, I love them, I love them. So yeah, we were talking about used jewelry, rings, and different things. And sometimes you may have your eye on something and it's really expensive, and then you'll start searching on eBay, also Etsy. You can find stuff. And I saw one time, like near the holidays, they had like gemstone rings on eBay and Etsy, and it was like $100, $80, real stuff, real gold. And I know a lot of people have a problem with that, you know, superstitions and stuff, but I clean that stuff up, honey, and I just keep wearing it. Okay, so what y'all think about these bracelets that I showed you? Do y'all like them? Okay. So I will be coming with some more videos. Y'all know I took a little break before. It wasn't that long. But I will be taking breaks more often because I'm going to be so busy. And I will take breaks more often. Or what I may do is, when I'm out and stuff, I'll record and then I'll schedule my videos coming out. But you may notice that I haven't been on your page that often, and it's because I've been very busy. And with all these videos, a lot of people's recording some long videos, and honestly, I just can't watch it all. I want to, I just can't do it. Can't do it. So what I'll do is come and look for your shorter videos to watch. You know, if your videos are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours, I either may come and watch a little bit of it, or I may just watch your shorter videos, okay? All right. And here are the other ones that really need to be bigger for my arm. There's that pink one. Here's that red one, that pretty red one. Here's that purple amethyst color. Here's another red one. And here's that clear. I think I said light blue, but that looks like that's clear. Okay, y'all, so I will see you again soon. Okay? Love you all.